loves, welcome back to our channel. We are here with another Julia hair exclusive. Okay, so we are back with this Brazilian bob unit. The color is 1B4. Let me pull it out for you guys. But that looks like a really light 4, but I'm okay with that too. And get into that root, okay? Now this is a 13 by 4 lace, okay? It has 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back, adjustable straps, Wakanda forever. This hair feels beautiful, okay? So let's just throw her on and see what we get. All right, my love, so we are coming back with our Julia hair 1B4 dark brown bob wig, okay? So this unit has a pre-plucked 13 by 4 lace front, okay? So I have this unit in 12 inches, and she is currently going for $106.99, which, quite frankly, you can't beat that with a bat. But don't you guys worry. This human hair wig and all Julia hair products are always running a sale. JuliaHair.com always has a sale, so you do not have to worry about paying all your coins for this unit, okay? We're going to leave all the information below so you can get you some money off. All right, now I'm just going through and I'm just going to actually wave her up, curl her up a bit. I didn't want to give like the traditional bone straight bob. I've been doing that a lot lately, so I just wanted to give you guys a different alternative, and this hair is providing. I love the way this hair feels. It does not tangle. It has not shed at all. And I am very, very appreciative of that. Now, this cap construction is really well done. This unit is big head friendly, but she does still feel snug to me, and I have a small head. So I feel like this is the best of both worlds, okay? Now we're just going to get on into her and play with her a little bit more. I love this Julia hair again. I have to say that again because this hair is fire. And I'm just going to get on into styling her up. guys, Julia hair came through. I really do love this unit. I love the way this hair feels. I love the way she took heat. She's super affordable. I'm going to leave all the deets below. But I love coming through with a nice wavy bob and zhuzhing her up a bit. And that's what we did with this Julia hair unit. Now, I really do love this. Sometimes it can just be this effortless, okay? And this is not even glued down, y'all. If you have not already, get into this unit, bust down, subscribe to our channel. Tell me what you guys are thinking. I really do love this hair. I love the way this hair feels. I love this effortless look. Tell me what you guys are thinking about Julia hair. Have you guys tried them out? What were your thoughts? And I'll see you beautiful mugs later. Bye.